In this tutorial, we will show you the mounting of the FLEXmax 100 AFCI charge controller. The FLEXmax 100 AFCI must be mounted upright, at least 36 inches above the ground floor. If installing outdoors, shade is recommended. A minimum clearance of 6 inches from above and below the controller is recommended. There are two methods of mounting the FLEXmax 100 AFCI. One is using the supplied brackets or using the keyholes. Using the mounting brackets is a preferred method, as it will align conduit openings to other Outback equipment. Using the 1/4-inch hex head lag screws, mount the lower bracket to the wall with tabs facing upward. Bracket hole spacing is 5.13 inches. Insert the upper bracket into the upper slots. Lower the FLEXmax 100 AFCI to the lower bracket slots and secure using a 1/4-inch hex lag screw. Using keyhole slots, mark the screw insert locations on the surface. Slot spacing is 7.9 inches. Screw head should protrude 1/8 inch. Hang the FLEXmax 100 AFCI by placing its back against the mounting surface and aligning the keyhole slots with the screws. Secure the base of the controller to the surface by inserting two 1/4 inch hex lag screws into the securing holes located in the wiring compartment. Mounting is completed and now ready for wiring. Thank you for watching.